I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2002 Toyota Tacoma. This passenger side outside door handle is broken, so we're going to be replacing it. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Flat tip screwdriver and another flat tip screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, door panel remover, another door panel remover, 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch extension, 10mm socket, and some dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a passenger side outside door handle. Okay, so first we're going to roll the window all the way up. So we're going to be removing this door panel. Remove this plastic piece. Remove this switch. Okay, disconnecting the wires. Push these tabs in and pull it out. So be unscrewing this handle. Okay, so we're going to be pushing this handle forward and pulling it out. Removing this linkage. Removing these two caps. Removing these Phillips screws. So we're going to be prying out the door panel. And then lift this panel up. Disconnect this speaker wire. So we're going to be pulling down this plastic shield. Okay, removing this plug. Okay, so I'm going to be removing these two linkages. This orange one is for the lock cylinder and the yellow one is for the door handle. So we're going to be removing it. You just got to push this clip down, both of them, and then take it out. Like that, and then you just pull that linkage out. So there's two bolts we gotta remove. One there and one there. This is the old door handle. I'm going to be transferring this lock cylinder to the new door handle. So on this one, you just twist it counterclockwise and then you pull it out. put it on the next one, put it in, turn it clockwise, lock it in, so now we can install the handle. Okay, installing the new door handle. So I'm gonna be bolting up the door handle. Tighten up the bolts. Connecting the two linkages. Putting this plastic piece on. So let's make sure the door works. Okay. Putting back this plug. So I'm gonna be putting back the door panel, connecting my speaker. Putting my screws on. Installing these caps. So I'm gonna be putting on my switch. First, I'm going to put some dielectric grease right into these connectors. Slide this guy in. Push that guy down. Putting my handle on. Slide it backwards. Putting this plastic piece on. And you're good to go. So that's how I replace the outside door handle. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.